really special to get this done for Harley-Davidson. We're having a hell of a year.
Kyle Wyman, number 33.
And here comes the 33 to take the checkered flag and another victory.
Bradley Smith, 58.
To the front, there goes Bradley Smith.
James Spoli, 43.
Hog Spoli, he definitely wants to put this thing on the podium. In our first race of 2025, Kyle Wyman, he'll take the checkered flag. Bradley Smith will be second. Kyle Wyman's like, playtime's over. Let me see if I can win this from the front. Wyman turns it left and wins the race.
There's no better place in the world than right here at Daytona in Victory Lane. Woo, I love this place.
We're pushing the limit at every single corner. Yo, we went 188.6 on a bagger, bro.
His Harleys look a little different today.
The old racing motto is back. Win on Sunday, sell on Monday.
This isn't about us. This is about Harley-Davidson. Every single person behind you.
Whoa! Kyle Wyman, another victory on the season. Wow. And the podium streak continues.
So happy for this Harley-Davidson team to be having the year we're having.
Something thrilling about motorcycle racing that it's hard to beat. And the racing has always been a part of us, always.
There are so many riders in the Mission and Super Hooligans. It is anybody's race at this point. They are as tight as you can be.
The championship has turned into a story of these two teams.
4 wins in a row for James Rispoli.
Yeah, baby!
James Rispoli, his first Super Hooligan National Championship.
Oh, we got one, dude!
Mission King of the Baggers, so many fast motorcycles in this field. Your new #1 plate for 2026, Kyle Wyman takes the national championship.
Huge congrats. Very well-deserving champ.
It's just an incredible year, and once again, we're Mission King of the Baggers champions. We're bringing this #1 back to Milwaukee. You grow up as a racer, you want what you're doing to mean something, and this means a hell of a lot.